This is deciding what kind of stock you want to use. And the tomatoes that we're going to use are these Rotel fire roasted diced tomatoes. This is 4 cups of stock. We're going to put it on a stock pot large enough for your chicken and rice. You're going to put in the diced tomato. We're going to add half a can of tomato sauce, some cumin, some chicken bouillon, some ground pepper, and we are not going to add any salt at this point. We're going to bring this up to a simmer, and here we're going to toast some rice. We're going to brown it up real nice and toasty, just like if we were making regular arroz. And there we are, getting it real nice and golden. And now the stock is boiling. I'm going to add my chicken parts. I have 6 chicken thighs bone in, cut in half. I like to cut them in half. I just like the serving portions like that, easier to handle. Make sure that everything is covered. We're going to let that cook for 20 minutes. Now here, I'm adding the onion, the bell pepper, and the garlic. And we're going to add this to our rice. We're going to saute all the moisture out of that. Continue browning the rice, and it's ready now. We're going to add it to our stock pot with the chicken pieces. We're going to taste it. Remember, we did not add salt. We're going to add salt now because it needed it, but that's to taste. Then we go ahead and add the rice. We're going to stir it, make sure that everything is submerged, and we're going to cover it, lower the heat, and cook for 20 minutes. And look at this, guys. Oh, look at that arroz con pollo. Delicious. One of my all-time favorites. Look at that. I could eat this for days, but it doesn't last that long at my house. Looky there. We just need some salsita. I have the full breakdown on my channel right now. Go take a look. Now look, we're going to give it a taste. You know that was good. I can't even stop to say anything here. And I'm never at a loss for words. Look at that. Okay, guys. See you on the next one. Bye.